How to see what earns MGM Rewards points on hotels and dining. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For MGM Rewards points on hotels and dining, there are different options. If you are a registered guest, simply add your MGM Reward account number to your hotel reservation to earn points and tier credits on eligible charges to your hotel folio. You can either provide your account number at the time of booking through the MGM Rewards website or call center or present your MGM Rewards card to the front desk as well. And after you do that, you will earn MGM Rewards. And if you're not an MGM Rewards member who is visiting a participating food and beverage outlet at an MGM Rewards destination, but you are not staying as a guest or do not charge an eligible expense to your room, simply present your MGM card upon payment at the outlet and you will get points as well. And from that, you will be able to redeem. This is how to see what earns MGM Rewards points on hotels and dining. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.